Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about the next topic, that is carbon cycle. So as we know that in atmosphere near about 0.3% carbon dioxide is present. So what happens in case of in carbon cycle? During respiration process of plant, what happens? Carbon dioxide, or that plant release the carbon dioxide into the atmosphere here. Okay, and that carbon dioxide is utilized by the plants during the photosynthesis process to make their foods. So in two way, what happens, that carbon dioxide is exchanged between the that plant release the carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, and again back carbon dioxide is used by the plants to make the foods in photosynthesis process. Next, that plant is eaten by the animals. That plants it is eaten by the animal, so that the carbon which is present in plants or in the fruits, so it goes to the animals. Then during respiration of animals, what happens, that carbon is released into the atmosphere. Some of the carbon is released into the, or carbon dioxide is released into the atmosphere, and some of the carbon is goes to the soil organic matter. That means after the decomposition of that plant and after the decomposition of that animals, what happens here, the carbon which is released from the animal waste, or after the death of animals, carbon dioxide, whatever the carbon dioxide is released after the decomposition of animals and after the decomposition of plant waste, whatever the carbon dioxide is released, that are mixed into the soil, and then it makes the soil organic matters. That means after the decomposition of the plants and animals, whatever the carbon is released, so that are mixed with the soil, that helps to make the soil organic matter. That means the soil or carbon that are comes in the carbon that are enters into the soil organic matters. Sometimes what happens here, that microbial cells also acts on the soil organic matters, and after the soil complete decomposition of soil organic matter, what happens, the carbon dioxide that release, okay, from that soil organic matter, the carbon dioxide is released here into the atmosphere, or small carbon dioxide is released into the atmosphere, and whatever the microbes or microorganism or autotrophic microorganism which is present in the soil, what happens here, during the respiration of that microorganism or microbial cell, what happens here, they release, or microorganism release the carbon dioxide into the atmosphere here, and again that carbon dioxide is backed to the, or sometime during respiration again that carbon dioxide is absorbed by, or is required for the microbes. So that microbes, it also required the CO2 during respiration process. So there are two-way process, that means microbes release carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, and some of the carbon dioxide that release from the dead residues from the soil organic matter. So that carbon dioxide, whatever the carbon dioxide is released by the microbes into the soil, sometime in the soil or in the in some of the in environment, so that carbon dioxide, some of the carbon dioxide again back to absorbed by the plants for the photosynthesis process or for the respiration process also. So in that way, what happens here, that carbon is recycled, or carbon is, or the cycle of that carbon is going on. So due to that, the concentration of that carbon remains same in the atmosphere. Okay, so what happens, again we see one by one, the during respiration process, that plant release the carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, and during photosynthesis process, that carbon dioxide again utilized by the plants to make their food. Then plants is eaten by the animals, so that whatever the carbon which is present in the plant, that enters into the animal body. Then during respiration of animal, that carbon dioxide is again released into the atmosphere, or sometime some carbon dioxide is released into the soil. But after the decomposition of that plant and animal, what happens? Whatever the carbon dioxide is released, so that are mixed with the soil to form the soil organic matter. Then the microbe cells or microorganism also they directly acts on the soil organic matter to form some of the dead residues after a complete decomposition of soil organic matter, and after the action of microbes, what happens on the soil organic matter, the dead residues form. So from the dead residues, again some of the carbon dioxide is released, and during the respiration of microbial cell, again carbon dioxide is required. So this is a cycle, and whatever the carbon dioxide is released by the animals in the atmosphere, so that again carbon dioxide is again used by the plants for the respiration process. So this is the carbon cycle, or this is a circle of that carbon, or the movement of carbon from one point to another point. So this is about your carbon cycle. So if you have any difficulty in that carbon cycle, so you can ask on my personal WhatsApp number. Thank you.